Hello everyone, welcome to Unplug 404. In today's session, we will quickly see how to create a text table and a heat map in Tableau. So for that, I have already opened a sample Superstore dataset, which is right here. And let's say I want to check category-wise profits. So I just need to drag these parameters. And by default, depending upon what you are dragging in this area, you'll get a certain graph or a certain table by default from Tableau, whichever is appropriate. So to change your graph representation, what you need to do is you need to go to Show Me section over here, and you need to click it. And here you'll see text tables. That's it. You'll be having a simple text tables with numerical values and category-wise data in front of you. Now let's say we are talking about heat maps and we want to analyze our profits according to these subcategories. What we can do is we can drag the subcategories in column area and profit category in rows area. We'll obviously get a random chart in front of us. We need to go to Show Me section. Here it is, heat maps. And here you'll see each subcategory wise heat map in front of you. You can obviously increase the size as much as you want. So it basically, as per your convenience, whatever, which size you want. And you can even change the color of it. Let's say I want orange color or maybe green color, and you can choose the border as well. Let's say I'm looking for a black border. Here it is. Or maybe a yellow border. So this is how you create a basic heat map for a few subcategories. You can also make it category-wise or maybe manufacturer-wise. It totally depends on your convenience and what you are trying to analyze. So that's all about heat maps. Now, if we talk about waterfall chart, it basically tells us about the cumulative frequency across various categories. So, for instance, if we select subcategories in columns and we draw profits in rows, now our default graph looks like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to quick table calculation, add a running total, and next up let's create a new field by clicking on profit right here and go to create option and go on to calculated field. Here let's name a new field as maybe new calculation, new calc, and let's add a minus sign here because we need the difference. Click OK. The new field is added here. And now what you need to do is you need to drag this new field over to the size tab right here. You'll see a minor difference like this. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the marks card right here and you need to choose Gantt bar. Here it is. Now this is a waterfall chart. Now let me explain it to you guys how it works. Let's say we are having the first category, which is accessories, and here the accessories profit, the accessories category profit is 41,937. However, if you talk about the second category, which is appliances, the appliances category has a profit of 18,138. However, the running total, which means the appliances and accessories profit, the combined profit is 60,075. If you go further, the art category, the combined profit of these three categories, which is art, appliances, accessories, is 66,602, and the individual category profit, the individual profit of art category is 6,528, and it goes like this. That's why it's in upward direction. So that's how a waterfall chart works. So to talk about Gantt charts, what we are going to do is we are going to drag subcategory section over to the columns tab, and let's say I want the analysis by ordered dates. So here we have in the row column we have year of orders, and here in the column section we have all the categories, all the subcategories with us. Now let's say I want to calculate sales, so I'll drag sales over to the size section over here, and by default we will get a heat map like this. So we will be going to mouse card right here, and we need to select Gantt bar. Now here it is. If you talk about the what result we can yield from this chart, is basically in the chairs category and phones category the sales were highest. However, if we talk about copiers, envelopes, fasteners, and maybe labels and art as well, the sales were not that good. And also in the supplies category in year 2017, the sales were not very good again. So that's how you create a Gantt chart in Tableau. So that's it from my side, guys. If you have any doubts or suggestions for me, do feel free to mention it in the comment section down below. Till then, take care, stay safe, and see you next time.